Take a look at your forecast. Now we're going to get right to the snow that we're expecting tomorrow. This comes in Saturday afternoon, sticks around through early Sunday morning. I think it's easy to see at least 2 inches in the area that's kind of shaded this lighter blue color there, kind of a bluish gray color, and then up to 2 inches. That means you could even see a dusting right along and just north of I-80, not including any on the backside of this, at least any lake effect snow that impacts you. 3 to 5 inches in elevated areas, 2 to 4 most folks south of I-80 is what we are expecting to see. A couple of flurries out there as we're starting our day, and we do now have some winter weather advisories starting to show up just down to the southwest. That's because of this major winter weather system that's developing. Now, at this point, at least, it's mostly rain, a little bit of snow, and kind of a mixture of ice and snow starting to develop on the front side. Look at just how large this system is, including some icy conditions in parts of southern Missouri and Arkansas this morning. This system continues to move our way, but notice what happens. We'll have a cold front that develops. You can see it right there. The cold front and the area of low pressure, they kind of run into each other. That cold air is denser than the more mild air coming in out of the southwest, and because of that, it does not move. That mild air and the snow that's wrapped around it just stays right around the periphery of that area of high pressure just off to the north that develops. That keeps a lot of the snow away. Now, this model is going to be more aggressive than most models, only showing about 1/3 of an inch of snow. But the Euro model, and this is a Euro here, is going to show upwards of 3 inches. This is right in line with what I was forecasting both yesterday and also today. I kind of tightened those numbers in just a little bit, but upwards of 3 inches or so in Pittsburgh, according to the Euro. If I showed you the other model, it would be way lower than that. In fact, I think the Pittsburgh area, not even an inch of snow is what it is showing. Let's take you outside. It's 20 degrees now. We have the winds out of the west, 7 miles an hour. They are finally calming down. There's your temperatures this hour, 20 in Washington, 19 in Butler. It feels like 11 in Butler. Beaver Falls, it feels like temperature coming in at 12 degrees. So today, mostly cloudy, 31, winds basically out of the west at right at 5 to 15 miles an hour. We can actually lower those now to 5 to 10. And your 24-hour temperature trend, I think we get back to about 31 before we start to cool down at 4 o'clock. There's your 7-day outlook, 31 today, 32 your Saturday high, and 34 on Sunday. Once again, we do have the chance for some snow expected Saturday afternoon into Sunday.